Hello everyone, a very good morning and bringing up the next video for the Indian stock market for 24th June 2025. The reading is completely on the basis of the Nifty 50. So before we start doing the reading, we will first review the reading of 23rd. We said that the market will be on the positive side as compared to the closing of the 28th, but we went wrong over there because the market opened with a gap of 172 points. We said that one positive spike will be there, and that came at 10:49 a.m. with 24,939. Unexpected movement on the higher side because if we see till 10:04, the market was on the lower side. Then it suddenly turned to the positive side and with almost 100 points movement, because at 10:05 the market was 24,824. For the afternoon, we said there will be a downward movement, two negative spike, but we could not see it because almost it was on the range bond, and for the 2 hours the market just moved 27 points. And then for the closing hours, we say that positive it will be, and there will be positive spike, and the positive spike that we saw was at around 1:21 p.m., where the market moved from 25,032 to 25,045. So I think that was the best part. And then we even saw one small spike at 2:04 p.m. with 25,056. So this reading, I would say, for the 23rd, we were only 40 to 50% only accurate, because afternoon we were completely against the market went against our reading, so we could not match with it. Closing hours were also not to that extent because there was, I won't say it was a range bound, because 85 points move was there. So I would say we were 45% accurate. Let's see what the cards are saying for the 24th. Okay. So for overall, if I see, I find a positive market for 24th, but let's see in detail. The market should open on the positive side, and it should be slightly higher as compared to the closing of the 23rd, with good movement and one spike I could see for the upper side, and the spike will be very good spike where you can just hit your targets. So moreover, I could say a positive opening, higher side, market will move gradually to the upper side, and with a good movement. But somewhere or other, I got a very strong intuition by seeing the details of the card that there will be one downward movement also. Let's see what the cards are saying to us for the afternoon. A positive with one positive spike, and even though multiple small positive spikes will be there, but one prominent spike will be there, range bond will be there, and I find that there will be a premium decay also. Let's see what the cards are saying to us for the closing hours. For the closing hours, I find that the market will be on a positive side, but you might miss or hit the stop loss. So you might miss the target and you hit the stop loss. But moreover, if you are able to control your emotions, anxiety, you will be able to grab the target, which will be on a very limited margin. I could say that no such prominent spikes I could see, because I find that from the afternoon onwards there will be a range bond. So no such prominent spikes, but you can get a target, but moreover I find that you might miss either the trade or you might miss the target. So be very careful when you are doing the trading in the closing hours. So this is my reading. I just hope that my reading resonates. So before I just end up, I just do a disclaimer that I'm not a stock market broker, nor I have any stock market knowledge. I just read the cards to understand the energy of stock market. So kindly take what it resonates, rest, leave it to the divine. And I would like to say that I do not suggest anybody to do the trading on basis of my reading. If you are doing so, then completely on your own risk factors. So if my video is helpful in some or the other way, we will be very happy with if you share your comments, your feedbacks. It will help us to work more on the subject with more accuracy. We can try it up. And do like and subscribe our channel if it is helpful to you or if you are being guided. Thank you so much and have a wonderful trading day ahead.